Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a very long time. So there was a lot that I had to do recently, and I just moved to this new apartment. But today I decided to do a little vlog since I'm getting my puppy today. I left him at my parents' house for 2 months since I was all busy with work, I was busy with moving, but now that I'm all settled in this new apartment, I decided why not show you guys my new dog. He's really cool, his name's Hero, and you guys are gonna meet him today. Alright. Alright guys, so we have 2 hours left to get to my parents' house. So I'm gonna be vlogging the adventure on the road. Alright, time to meet the puppy. Let's go.
Look, here was the first one. And Esther just knocked him out of the way. Hey!
Oh my god! Esther!
Hey, look, Hero! Hey, there's Hero! Hey!
There's Hero.
Hey, Hero! Hey! Hey, walk!
Yeah. There he is. Say hi, Hero. That's Hero right there.
Hey, Hero! Hey! Hey, buddy!
This is Hero. Yeah, come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've never really ever experienced leaving like
Hey, Hero!
like that.
How you doing? You being a good boy?
This is Hero. He's coming back home.
Are you okay? You look so tired.
Yeah, look at that yawn. You are tired, aren't you? Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. Alright. You ready, Hero? Come on. Let's go. Yeah, good boy. He's ready. Oh, yeah. There's Hero. Oh, his claw. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. It's been a long day. Got my dog today. Very happy. He's a little bit sad to be away from all the other dogs and my parents. They took care of him well, but here he is. He's just chilling right now. Pretty sleepy. He's had a long day too. We brought him to a dog park, did a bunch of stuff. Sleeping like that. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching the vlog. It'll get more interesting, trust me. But yeah, thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys next vlog or episode. Don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but we'll see. Probably some food tests or probably a vlog. We'll see though. But yeah, you guys will see more of Hero. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.